5 reasons you should choose Calacatta marble counters for your home. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most luxurious and timeless choices for kitchen and bathroom countertops, Calacatta marble. If you've ever admired those bright white counters with bold gray veining, chances are you've seen this stunning natural stone. So, let's look at 5 reasons why Calacatta marble is a top choice for your home. Reason 1. Elegant appearance. Calacatta marble instantly adds a sense of sophistication and luxury. Its pure white background and dramatic veining make every slab a unique piece of art, perfect for creating a high-end interior look. Reason 2. Brightens your space. Because of its bright white tone, Calacatta marble reflects light beautifully, making smaller kitchens or bathrooms appear more open, airy, and inviting. Reason 3. Uniqueness in every slab. No two Calacatta slabs are the same. Each has its own natural patterns and textures, giving your countertops a truly custom and exclusive touch. Reason 4. Increases home value. Investing in Calacatta marble can significantly boost your home's appeal and resale value. It's often seen as a hallmark of premium design. Reason 5. Versatility in design. Whether you're pairing it with modern cabinets, rustic wood, or metallic finishes, Calacatta marble blends beautifully with almost any design style. So, if you're looking for elegance, durability, and timeless charm, Calacatta marble counters are worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home designs insights. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.